master your craft. Whatever things we are doing, whatever field we are, we have to be master in that. We are saying no, whatever is our niche, we have to be a subject matter expert in those areas, so that people think many times to compete with us. If we are master in that, then our journey would be easy and we can accelerate our inning the way we want. But having half of knowledge in multiple areas or multiple niches is not advisable. For long term, we will stuck in between. If the ideal scenario should be, even though if I have 2-3 areas of expertise, first I need to initially start with the number one, my niche where I am really well. So I need to start with that, and once I properly settle down with that first niche, then only we should think about others. But many a times what people are doing at the beginning itself, they are focusing into multiple niches, which is not working. We should first start with first one where we are really expert, in which we know that we can do really well. So we need to start with that. So the point here is, whatever our niche, whatever area we are working, we have to be master in that. Be it a teacher, a dancer, a writer, whatever our niche, we have to always upgrading ourselves, learning new things, so that we can enhance our area of expertise. We can able to deliver the way customer wants, or the way it is useful to many people. So always we have to be upgrading ourselves, and we have to be like sharpen the Shah. We know that, correct? So whatever is our expertise, we have to always keep them upgrading, so that we should be in a position to deliver whatever is being expected from us. So this is what my thought on this topic, friends. Thank you so much for watching.